All right, we just left the parking lot. Check it out. She's running really good. AC's on, nice and cool. What's up, guys? Bobby here, Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Another day here. Today we're gonna pick up a new build. Yes, new build. BMW E39 2003 530i. So let's go get it. Check it out. That's crazy. I never had my car drug out like that. That is cool. Yeah, and I got a mouthful of food too. No, it's not an M5. Wish it was. There he is. Alright guys, there she is. Not bad at all. Like I said, it's not an M5. I gotta check out, see what's up with this window. But yep, let's get her home. Alright, we just left the parking lot. Check it out. She's running really good. AC's on, nice and cool. Got a Christmas tree, but you know, that's typical BMW. But she's running smooth. AC's really cold. Got my drink. So yeah, let's do this. Let's see if she makes it home. So far, so good. Still running good. Doing about 45. I'm going on side streets because I'm not risking the freeway right now. But yeah, she's doing well. Temperature's right in the middle. Alright, we'll be back after I get home. Alright guys, I made it home. Running good. I can't open the hood, but you can listen to the engine. Is smooth. It's a little bit more rougher than I thought, but not bad. It's ready for smog already. So tomorrow I'm gonna take it, get a brake and light inspection, get this sucker registered quick. But I don't know, I might wrap this thing. I don't know, it's a good candidate, black. But the window doesn't roll up because of the hit. And I found 2 doors for $100. So I might pick those up tomorrow also. But yeah, it's not bad. This is a skid plate for something. I don't even know if it's part of this car. Shh. But yeah, the seats are kind of crunchy. But that's cool, man. Clean them up as best as I can. Like I said, it's filthy. And driver's seat, you know, usual bolster, but it's not ripped on the bottom, so good cleaning. The only rip is this one right here. That's cool. I'll leave that. Clean these up. It's not half bad. It isn't. Seriously, it's just filthy. It's got mismatched visors. See if I can get that. Yeah, they put a stupid M steering wheel on it, if you can't tell. So I think that's why it's got a Christmas tree, but we'll see. I'll hook up my Altel to it. We'll do a diagnostic on it. Yeah, see, little trim pieces. Put a little bit of glue on that. Stereo sounds really good. But like I said, it's filthy. It's got a little burn mark right there. It's just filthy. That's all it is. I'm gonna make her look good. All right, let's get her inside. We got her in now. So I'm gonna have to fix the bumper right there. Held in by baling wire or whatever. So I'm gonna address that. Obviously do the headlights. There's a weird gap here, but also headlight gap there. So yeah, I can't get the hood open right now, so I'm gonna have to pry something in there and see if I can get it open. At Copart they had it open, so obviously it opens. And then down here got the heat gun. I'm gonna heat that up, bend it back. But other than that, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Just needs some good cleaning. The wheels dirty. Let's see. That push in. It's locked. Ah, nice. It's electric. Nice, nice, nice. It's pretty clean in here. Spent pretty good money on the battery. Bosch. Like all Beamers, gotta have extra bulbs. That's what mine says right now. It says bulb, check brake lights. So I'm gonna check those right now. This side's clean. Wheels, they look like they haven't been cleaned and whew, probably ran it through those car wash drive-throughs. As you can see in these rotors bad, that's a groove. So I might not get it brake and light inspection this weekend because the dude's gonna see that and be like, nah. So I'm gonna have to get some rotors, probably pads, all the way around. You know me, Rock Auto Special. Budget, baby, budget. So you know what I'm gonna do next? I'm gonna clean her up. Alright, we're gonna give her a little bath now. She is filthy. Check this out. She is dirty. So let's wash her up. And bam, she is clean. She don't look half bad. Wheels came out pretty good. Still got to scrub them down, but just for a spray down, not bad. I do have that piece inside. Alright, that's going to end Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Until next time, please like, share, subscribe. Talk to you later.